Hey guys, this is Angela with Graphics Pig, here to show you a tutorial on the Adobe Illustrator flip text effect. As you can see here, we just have a simple hello world. You can make it whatever you want, and I can even show you a couple of different styles that you can achieve with the same effect. So what we will do, well first, let's go into our layers panel and let's lock this bottom layer here just so it can't be moved around when working with it. A couple tools that we will be working at are the free transform tool and the blend tool. If you do not see them, you can go to Windows, Toolbars, and click the Advanced toolbar. If you have no tool set there, you will do the same thing. Windows, Toolbar, Advanced, and it will bring it back. This can work with any style font for the most part. It's just about trial and error. So what we will do is we will take our text and we'll type in hello world. Of course, the text is black, so it's hard to see. And then we'll go ahead and just size this up a little bit. You will right click on the text and you will come down here to create outlines, and now it is a shape instead of text. Up on the right side you will see your gradients tab. We'll select that. We're going to select the white and black gradient, but we want to make it -90 so that way the light is up top. It gives it that blurred effect and the dark is at the bottom. Once we're done with that, we're going to come over here to the free transform tool. When you click it, this little guy pops up and it gives you 4 different options. If you do not see it, it could be hiding behind the toolbar. You can hit F twice and it will pop it up, and then you can move it out of the way. What we want to work with is the perspective distort. So you're going to grab the bottom corner and we're going to squeeze it in. It gives the bulging at the top. It just gives it that unique perspective look. Click the arrow. You're going to hold down Alt so that second little arrow pops up. Press your left mouse button key, hold down Shift, and then pull it straight down to get a copy. Grab this anchor on top and just pull it downwards until this becomes very narrow and you really can't read it as well. And then go ahead and click both. What we're going to do is go up to Object. We're going to come down to Blend and Make. And as you can see, it popped in quite a few rows in the middle. If you come over here to that Blend tool, you want to double click it and it will pop up Blend Options. In spacing, you can go to Specified Steps and you can just kind of scroll up and down and see how many words you want. Like, you know, at this point that wouldn't really be legible. Let's go down to 5. Now you will see there is this space here. It seems bigger than others. So what we're going to do is we're going to come up to Object, Expand, Object and Fill, and then hit OK. And now you can double click and just select this one. And then you click Shift and just budge it up just a little bit. And then there we go. When you come out of isolation mode, you can select all of these, right click, transform, reflect. So you want horizontal and then you want to click copy. You can left click on this, hold down Shift, and drag it straight down to where you want it. And it's really simple. There you go. Now you can turn off this dark square in the back in your layers if you want. You can export this as a transparent PNG, SVG, DXF, whatever you're working with. And then another way to do this is if you wanted to do the text like on a shape. So say you want to type on a path, you can hold down Shift while making a circle and select type on a path. We can just do positive vibes. And of course, it won't let me select the words. Here we go. And then we can go ahead and make this yellow. Let's pull it back on our dark background. These little handles here are what you can select to move the text around. And it's vibes, not vibes. Alright, and then same thing. Let's right click, create outlines. Come over to the gradient tab here. Go ahead and click the black to white, -90. Free transform tool, perspective. Let's go ahead and bring that in just a little bit. I'm going to copy this by holding Alt, left clicking, and holding down Shift to bring a copy straight down. Grab the middle anchor, pull it downwards, select both. Oh, this rectangle is still here. Let's get rid of that. Select both, Object, Blend, Make. Double click on the Blend tool, specified steps. Let's go for 6. Object, expand, and now we can move this bottom row up. I'm just using the up arrow, or else you can click and hold down Shift. Exit isolation mode. Right click, transform, reflect, copy. Left click, Shift, and pull straight down. And now it kind of looks like almost like a pill capsule, which is kind of cool. I'm pretty sure that that would work for some nursing stuff. There's a lot of great things that you can do. So it doesn't just have to be straightforward like everything else you're seeing. You can go into your warp effects. You can do the text any which way. You could probably even do some cool things with some PNGs if you want, and some photos, and do the same effect to it. But this is how you achieve this in Adobe Illustrator. It's very simple, and then you export it out as a PNG just by simply going into your windows. Let's open up our layer tab. Let's turn that off. File, export, export as. And then you can go ahead and name it, select PNG, and then it will have a transparent background. This may actually export both of them, but I think you get a little, yep. It will show you a little preview here. So if you just select that, then you can collect just export selection right here at the bottom, and then it will just put that out on the artboard instead of both of them. So I hope you enjoyed. There'll be more tutorials to come. Thank you.